Ngolesine lomkhuleko, let's talk about stop and goes. Here's an insight. We get so frustrated, we get so impatient. When we know that indlela esihamba kuyo has a stop and go. There's a stop and go somewhere in that journey, and we try by all means sometimes to avoid routes that have a stop and goes. But if you think about a stop and go, the purpose of a stop and goes is to either there is a road construction or road maintenance, or there is a danger ahead, either there is maybe an accident ahead that is to be cleared. So they serve to protect, they serve to prevent us from going into roads or routes where there is maintenance, so there is work being done. And if there is maintenance or construction, then it means so that it is better, it becomes a better route. So even in our lives, sihlangabezana with phases or times where we have to stop, but we are so impatient, we just don't like being delayed. Well, we believe so much that izinto mazenzeka, we are being delayed. And sometimes that is why we get into roads, we get into paths that are dangerous, we get into paths that are hazardous, that are harmful to us at the end of the day. And I just want to say, honor our stops and goes of your own journey. Take the time when you are at a stop to maybe reflect, to think, to get clarity, to recharge, to observe the scenery, whatever it is that is around you. But more than anything, to be still. And when it is time to go, trust that it is because whatever danger, whatever hazard, whatever maintenance, whatever construction, whatever thing that needed to be fixed has been fixed, and the road is clear for you to go. And sometimes I must stop and goes. You have to stop endleleni because avoid congestions and things like that. We get into parts where there is so much chaos and congestion and noise because we are not patient. That is another thing. I must stop and goes cultivate patience. And I'm sure you've also seen how frustrated people get when they are at a stop and go. And amanye kwenzeka that there will be people there that literally have to make sure that we stop. And sometimes even in life, either with events or things that the universe will make sure those things happen to force you to stop. Because when we have a signal or a sign to stop, we don't do it. We don't sifuna ukufosta sihambe kuyellow lane. Sifuna ukufosta speed robot, ufuna ukufoster and drive past or maneuver your way around barriers that are put there, things that are put there that are saying stop, that are saying construction ahead, that are saying something. And then we end up we end up in danger, we end up making wrong decisions, getting into wrong situations. We end up move away from God's protection, from the protection of the universe. We end up seeing a pume with this mentality of impatience and anxiety and fast everything, and things have to happen, sometimes you just have to stop and trust when it is time to go, that is the right time. Have a blessed Thursday.